Hello, amazing learners. I'm Sarah, and welcome to the very first episode of Learn Everyday English. Today, I'm excited to talk about something that connects us all: how to turn a dream into reality. We all have dreams, right? Some dreams might seem small, while others feel much bigger. No matter their size, every dream is important. But the real question is, how do we turn those dreams into something real? Let me take you on a journey, a personal one. It all started with a simple dream, a dream to help others learn English every day. I had this vision of creating something meaningful that would make a difference in people's lives. And now, here I am, speaking to you through this podcast. But if I'm being honest, it wasn't always this way. When I first had the idea for this channel, I was nervous, unsure, and even a bit skeptical. Repeat after me. Skeptical. Skeptical means to doubt or be uncertain about something. And yes, I had doubts. Doubts about whether I could really do this, whether people would actually listen, and if I'd be able to help others in the way I imagined. But despite the doubts, one thing was certain. I wanted to share my passion for English with learners like you. So, I didn't let my skepticism stop me. Instead, I decided to take the first step. And that's where the journey from ambition to action began. Repeat after me. Ambition. Ambition means a strong desire to achieve something. My ambition was to create a platform where learning English is fun, easy, and accessible to everyone. But here's the thing. Dreams don't turn into reality without hard work, right? They require effort, dedication, and a lot of persistence. One of the most important qualities I discovered along the way was resilience. Repeat after me. Resilient. Resilient means being able to recover quickly from difficulties. And believe me, there were challenges. Time was an issue, creating content took a lot of effort, and the fear of failure was always there in the back of my mind. But being resilient means pushing through those challenges and bouncing back when things don't go as planned. Each day, I worked on this dream. Every piece of content I created brought me one step closer to turning my dream into reality. Those steps weren't always easy, but they were necessary. And slowly but surely, those dreams started becoming real, becoming tangible. Repeat after me. Tangible. Tangible means something that can be touched or felt. My dream was no longer just a thought in my mind. It became something I could see and feel. And here I am now, speaking to you all, living my dream. But guess what? Just like I made my dream a reality, you can too. Whether your dream is to speak English fluently, write better, or feel more confident while traveling, it's possible. But it takes small, consistent steps, and, most importantly, persistence. Repeat after me. Persistent. Persistent means to keep going, no matter what. So, I ask you, what's your English learning dream? Do you want to improve your speaking, writing, or listening skills? Or maybe you just want to feel more confident using English in your everyday life. Whatever your dream is, I'm here to help you make it a reality. Share your goals with me in the comments below. Before we wrap up, let's quickly review today's vocabulary. 1. Skeptical, doubtful, or unsure about something. 2. Ambition, a strong desire to achieve something. 3. Resilient, able to recover from challenges. 4. Tangible, something that can be touched or felt. 5. Persistent, to keep going no matter what. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learn Everyday English. Together, we can make learning fun and inspiring. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep learning,